rationalize the denominator. Now, we're rationalizing the bottom number here, the denominator. And that means write this fraction without a radical in the bottom, without a square root in the bottom. Now, to eliminate the square root of 3, to eliminate this radical, we're going to multiply the bottom by the square root of 3. Let me show you what happens here. But in the meantime, before we do that, if we multiply the bottom by the square root of 3, we have to multiply the top by the square root of 3 also. Now what happens is you copy down the 3, you have the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, which is what? The square root of 9, isn't it? And the top, your two radicals become one radical, and you're going to have the square root of 5 times 3, which is 15. Now, the reason we multiplied by the square root of 3 is you have the square root of 9, which is what? Square root of 9 is 3. And now we no longer have a radical in the denominator. We've rationalized the denominator. In the meantime, now we have 3 over 3, which cancels, doesn't it? So 3 over 3 is 1. You have 1 times the square root of 15, which is just the square root of 15.